I read it somewhere. Summer means the garden. It means roses, hollyhocks, larkspur and geraniums. It means birds. It means long days and starry nights. Let's look at hollyhocks today. Hollyhocks are midsummer blooms that grow in vertical clusters on tall spikes like these. They attract several pollinators. Hollyhocks can either be biennials or short-lived perennials, depending on the growing conditions. Hollyhocks need full sun and moist, rich, well-drained soil. A common mistake while growing them is planting them in soil that is too dry, even though they are relatively drought tolerant. Once you have planted your hollyhocks, they will need minimal care. Several insects feed on them from time to time, but none cause more than minor cosmetic damage. Much more worrisome is a disease called hollyhock rust, which appears as tiny yellow pustules on the undersides of the leaves. This can quickly spread to the entire plant, making it quite unsightly. One fact about hollyhocks that very few people know is that it is edible as well. Hollyhocks and hibiscus are related. They can easily be planted through seeds. We transplant them from seed once they have reached about 5 inches tall. They come in shades of blue, purple, pink, red, yellow and sometimes a mix of more than 2 colors. They are good for background sowing since they are tall and stand out well in your garden. So plant some hollyhocks this summer and enjoy their patchless beauty in your garden. Please follow, like and share our posts using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.